Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dungog. Dungog. When we say dungog, that means fame, repute, reputation, name, renown, celebrity, notoriety, notability, glory, distinction, mark, or figure. It can also be used as a verb. Dungog. Dungog. Let us have the following sample sentences using the Hiligaynon word dungog. Ginapadunggan ta ang mga santos. Ginapadunggan ta ang mga santos. That means we venerate the saints. Ginapadunggan ta ang mga santos. Magpadungog ka sa iya. Magpadungog ka sa iya. That means honor him or her. Magpadungog ka sa iya. It can also be respect him. Magpadungog ka sa iya. Ang imo dungog nagapangayo sina. Ang imo dungog nagapangayo sina. That means your reputation requires that. Ang imo dungog nagapangayo sina. Huptan mo ang imo dungog. Huptan mo ang imo dungog. That means guard your honor or keep your name unsullied. Huptan mo ang imo dungog. It can also be kadungganan. Huptan mo ang imo dungog. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, dungog. Dungog. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.